GridPlus Lattice1 Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my GridPlus Lattice1 Wallet Full Review. Links to the product are included in the description below. The GridPlus Lattice1 is a next-generation hardware wallet designed for advanced crypto users and professionals who prioritize security without compromising usability. It's built for secure, large-scale management of cryptocurrency and blockchain assets, making it a standout choice for institutional investors and tech-savvy individuals. The Lattice1 wallet's primary feature is its innovative hardware design, including a tamper-resistant touchscreen interface. Unlike traditional hardware wallets, it provides a full-color display that ensures users can clearly verify every transaction. This added transparency is crucial for preventing phishing attacks or unauthorized transactions. Another defining aspect is its secure element chip, which isolates private keys from external access, protecting them from malware and physical tampering. The wallet integrates seamlessly with MetaMask and other popular Ethereum-based platforms, enabling users to interact with decentralized applications, dApps, directly. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and ERC20 tokens, making it versatile for diverse portfolios. One of its unique features is the Safeguard, a swappable keycard system that allows users to back up or transfer wallets securely. This is particularly useful for managing multiple wallets or enabling secure collaboration. The GridPlus Lattice1 is designed for long-term use and emphasizes upgradability, offering firmware updates to adapt to evolving blockchain technology. Its integration with other security tools and advanced signing policies ensures flexibility for users with complex needs, like multi-sig wallets or corporate use cases. On the downside, the wallet's cost is significantly higher than most competitors, making it a better fit for users managing substantial assets. Additionally, while the touchscreen adds convenience, it requires a consistent power source and isn't as portable as smaller USB-style wallets. Beginners may also find its features and setup process overwhelming compared to simpler alternatives. In summary, the GridPlus Lattice1 wallet is an exceptional choice for users who demand cutting-edge security, robust functionality, and integration with modern blockchain tools. If you're managing a significant portfolio or require enterprise-level protection, this wallet offers unmatched peace of mind.